In this video, I'll show you how to turn on the Bluetooth on your Android phone. This is the Sony Xperia 1 Mark V, and I have here Bluetooth headphones, the Sony MH Mark V, or I don't remember the name. It's the 5, the big ones with the 5. If I want to use Bluetooth headphones with the phone, I need to have Bluetooth enabled on the phone and the headphones must be turned on. These are okay. To turn on the Bluetooth on the phone, the headphones are on, waiting to connect to Bluetooth. You see this light blinking there. They are already paired, and what I like to do, I like to have Bluetooth here in the quick settings menu, and then I press on it. And they are connected now. And I can play something already on the headphones. And when I'm done doing this, I can turn off the headphones. But the Bluetooth will stay on like this. And actually you can leave it on, you don't have to turn it off. And the next time when I turn on the headphones, it will connect automatically. As you see, it's already connected by itself. So this is why you might want to have the Bluetooth on all the time. But if you want to force disconnect the Bluetooth, if it's speakers in a room or if it has its headphones, you can also disable it like that. The headphones will turn off automatically when they're not connected. Thanks for watching. Watching or watching? Watching.